Hello students and welcome back. This is lesson 10 of Unit 1, Incredible English 4 with Teacher Cam. For this lesson you'll need your class book and activity book. Okay, so we'll start with your activity book. Okay, if you can turn your activity book to this page. Okay. Here we can see a picture of the water cycle, which we did in lesson 9. So can we put the words here up here into the picture? Okay, so let's do that now. We'll start with here, and this is the river. The water starts in the river, and the water goes into the sea. Okay, the water evaporates as water vapor, which is this one. The sun shines on the sea, warms up the sea. Okay. The condensation of the water vapor forms this one, the clouds. And when the droplets are too heavy for the clouds, it falls as rain or as snow high in the mountains where it's cold. Okay. So when you finish that, writing the words on the line, write nicely. When you finish that, you can go to your class book. This page here. Okay. Here we can see a weather map. This is showing a map of the United Kingdom of Great Britain with the countries England, Wales, Ireland, Northern Ireland and Scotland. Okay. And here you have what we call weather icons showing the different kinds of weather. Okay, you can see the icons here and the weather, it's sunny, it's cloudy. And you listen and repeat.
Listening 1.11. Look, listen and repeat.
It's sunny. It's cloudy. It's windy. It's raining. It's snowing. It's foggy. It's stormy. It's 10 degrees. It's -5.
Okay, you can play that back again and listen again if you want. Now let's listen and find the different where the weather icons are on the map.
Listening 1.12. Listen and find.
What's the weather like in London?
It's raining in London.
What's the temperature?
It's 5 degrees.
Okay, what's the weather like in London? It's raining in London. And what's the temperature? It's 5 degrees. So here we have rain and 5 degrees. So this red dot here is where London is. Okay.
weather like in Manchester?
It's sunny in Manchester.
What's the temperature?
It's 7 degrees.
Okay, in Manchester, it's sunny and 7 degrees. So Manchester is here.
What's the weather like in Cardiff?
It's cloudy in Cardiff.
What's the temperature?
It's 8 degrees.
This one is Cardiff, where it's cloudy and 8 degrees.
What's the weather like in Dublin? It's windy in Dublin. What's the temperature? It's 6 degrees.
This one here, Dublin.
What's the weather like in Belfast? It's foggy in Belfast. What's the temperature? It's -1.
This is Belfast.
What's the weather like in Edinburgh? It's stormy in Edinburgh. What's the temperature? It's 3 degrees.
So this is Edinburgh, 3 degrees. Okay, everyone? So what's the weather like in Cardiff? This was Cardiff. It's cloudy. What's the temperature? It's 8 degrees. And here you have the names of the cities: Cardiff, Manchester, Dublin, Edinburgh, Belfast, and London. The weather: cloudy, windy, snowing, raining, sunny, stormy, foggy, and the temperature: 8 degrees, -5. Oh, -5 is very cold. So this one here is Edinburgh. What's the weather like in Edinburgh? It's stormy. And what's the temperature? It's 3 degrees. Remember, this one here was London. What's the weather like in London? It's raining. And what's the temperature? It's 5 degrees. Okay. So maybe you can practice that. Okay. Now let's move on to your activity book. This page here. Okay. Do you remember what this one was here? Choose the word up here. You can see leaves blowing in the wind. Wind, it's windy. So can you write it's windy on the line, please? Okay. And this one here showing clouds. It's cloudy. This one here showing snowflakes. It's snowing. Like that. This one I'm sure you all know. It's sunny. Okay. This one what says FOG, fog, means it's foggy. Okay, it's foggy. From foggy spelt with a double G. Whoops. Like that. Okay. This one here, stormy. This shows a flash of lightning. What the light that you see in a storm. And this one here, it's raining. You can see raindrops falling from the cloud. Okay. And next we can do this weather map here. Here you can see the names of the cities: London, Cardiff, Manchester, Dublin, Belfast, and Edinburgh. It's in Belfast. Belfast, there we have it there, the icon. It's raining, isn't it? Ah, we can hear the rain. And it's cloudy. Where's it cloudy? Where's it cloudy? There's it cloudy. So it's cloudy in Dublin. In Dublin. Okay, don't forget Dublin with a capital D because it's the name of a city. Okay. It's in Manchester. In Manchester, it's this one here, which is windy. Okay. And in Cardiff, there's Cardiff, fog. It's foggy. Remember, foggy we spell F-O-G-Y. The weather isn't very nice in Edinburgh. There's Edinburgh, there's the weather, it's stormy. Can you hear the storm? But it's a beautiful day. Here's a beautiful day in London. But in London, a beautiful day, and it's sunny. Okay. So, students, that covers my lesson for today. Okay, you can play back if you missed something or it was too fast for you. All right. See you next time. Bye-bye.